I can't tell madam for bar me boy ni o enra me me boy yakohye eye normal tin kofi monka no kra wo wiase dan na moyam wiase
ko we na wantwi akra na
o na me we na minister na onua ene ma we na ka she no honti ma me kra fan socket ni o so onyi bia madam we de obeti ma we na minister me kan tell madam so onua ene also oba hima kokuma so na cash ni honti no polite ma me fa eye nua ni nua ase eye normal boys at mo nye okay to say ye be creative wiase foforo kofi monka no kra na mo hontom wo kan no kra wonwen bebre eye normal boys kasa o ja se
okay
ana me say me share me yere madam for say me share girl bi me feel no ko ja me girl no ho me kana isa eya de unua ya na wa kan bia ma me me egusu akeka o ene obesra me cha girl we dem feel me ware no eya adanfo ni adanfo nkomo wonu say wona book in Japan oba me wedding ye din komo of course I am normal thing o ja say omo mo ba no me say na obi go en case ento mo nyina obi a onya girl oni na danfo be kan girl na asem oba nya boy a oni na danfo oba be kan boy na asem e me sia boy bi me feel no ye say omo din komo de bia ye nkomo enti kofi me no di me komo na say wo kan obi me na me no wedi I don't have a problem with it e no
so you didn't have a problem about
no problem saying oh masa problem de kwan anya ade bi afi na be wiase yen kan okoro wo wiase wiase kan okoro simple ade a ya be interview ase wonim say boys ye din komo girls din komo ye na fofo edin kwa na ko kan Peace FM
but that is the challenge.
Go you forget the challenge in here nkoso na
A+ you are very mature to eat and tell keep me you are very mature to keep immature okay to eat and tell keep mute masa we say boys kasa abena obene one or trap because people don't like the truth say it A+ but see A+ is rather interviewing Kofi in common ye di maka chama say me interview nti we ne ye nkomo dey it takes any form was not everyone shame on you oba pa Linda and what by was hey this one pa on credit Ghana the big keke and then you maybe say me post to you and that was one thing obi try by say or person who how you able to do it on credit say be at least it's a strategy on also bet me but he has no regret to kiss and tell yes so yes sexy Judas we free handful and the buyer was it not all dating you have to tell your friends esa and the buyer was it A+ stop that thing you chopped Tracy and you told people like Kennedy Japan who is always talking everything Abdallah Madugri and what you're buying. Was it seriously you don't speak the truth? Okay, Abigail Atta. Was it that's the only truth? Steven GH Media. And I was Kofi. We know you have it's true, bruh. Only this making kind messages are when you course now on the from never sana.
No, but we have Facebook Live, no can messages and
we just want to know for Adrian was it is not normal to tell a friend who you sleep with. Jessica, I don't unfortunately I would say 98 question. 90 I say I don't go hand sanitizer 99.9 of guys tell. But this one, the amount a year one say you tell your friend in confidence, but to tell your friend and then you find that same thing on TV. Definitely, Tracy was disappointed. Our friend Apanicho.
Oh, damn.
She felt it was a secret between the two of you.
Me fagela girl fire secret. My fagela, what is secret about Obi young girl I am?
No,
and so many years ago. If somebody decides to talk about it, you know, I don't forget often the secret. If you have somebody that you have some, is it a secret? Maybe you are even proud that hey, me girl new. It is a little no come baby. Every time someone just walk off the pan say me fa girl no, na me girl no, but na me the word tenor. No, you infant ten will be I don't even get it. Ovi, eh? Media. Who put here? Why be me you? Ovi, me, oh, down where I'm to me. I tell you story about you know. Self condition that way when you know they discuss this idea. You know what? I'm going to say self condition was our way. Nanka 100% at office.
What brand in the world?
Yeah,
TPP.
yeah, and yeah, Brandon, I was saying, trust me, and some condition will handle the discuss. Could be problem, Kuma. A surgery, Mamma, be broken for not your hospital, and some will be canon. Bear some years, and then something you know, we acquire surgery. Ye, a Nensano be air prono. Ya surgery, man, as you say, your percent, young artificial and sunny vision. Enti ye be sika obi obetumi contribute no ye beboa na ye de ya yes prosthetic limb no sa na ye friend no artificial na bi ama no enu go vi yan kan sama ye de mpuntu o beba.
And second, the other issue is with